Prof Malcolm menongelam barem ke United Democratic Party ulai khublei ke Dr Ampareen lingdo MLA ke East Chelong ka budang kren ke jingïalang pynïasoh jong ui lede syaka National People's Party ha ke no phai singi sautrek noilar arjar arpuar da ka bai khublei ke East Chelong NPP block ke bla priang eu ula penpau bo wala kampat dei ke dekhot NPP enre ai khublei ke jing senyang ke Dr Ampareen ya ke jingwan pynïasoh Prof Malcolm teriang rengkat kinong kersan syaka NPP la priang buram da ginong yelam ba khamat katau konrad ki sangma bot buat Preston Tunsong hak jingïalang kidong kit kam ke NPP Mekhlaya unit bagi wei pan uni unong yelam klempoi syakathong na kijingïakhun jong ui election MLA hak baladam uladairu Abu Ahmad men baga cersi bom sap Mekhlaya House kelapau partai hagis nam gi baladam House nam arjar prau lai khun kum kurtong klamseng persya ke Dr Ampareen lengdo akapor bakalai khun na ke UDP dalai mkhra constituency Kamadian haba ke Dr Ampareen klai so Congress Prof Malcolm lachir benya khun na ke UDP hak election steng samoy House nam arjar khandai ber shimlala bencom Henry mendak kenti gemba pau Prof Malcolm teriang on ajeng kersyaan ya ke Dr Ampareen nak tiket jong ke NPP.
I am now a new entrant to the NPP. I'm very thankful to the bloc NPP, Shillong 16 Shillong East, for having accepted me with very warmly. Okay, right from the even though she's not a member of the NPP as yet, but I must also acknowledge her contribution, Dr Ampareen. Okay. And probably she'll be here. Probably she might come in a little while. Dong Jasmine is there. Oh, so sorry. Dong Jasmine. Okay. And these are people I've known throughout my lives. Okay. But the only thing is in politics, in the past, we have been on different platforms. Different platforms for the past many years. It took Sir Conrad Sama, Sir Tun Song and the whole NPP family to bring us together. And for that, I think we should give them a big applause for that.